Good morning. My name is Athina Charbonneau, and I am a victim of the family courts in Alaska. Our case started as a domestic violence litigated divorce in 2020 in Anchorage, Alaska, the 3rd Judicial District with Judge Adolph Seaman. When I got remarried and had my son in 2022, my ex-husband filed for a custody modification, making outlandish allegations against my husband and I. We have been through a nightmare and a half, and I'm sure there are thousands of other families. I know there are thousands of other families going through this. Our case numbers are 3AN 2009466 civil, 3AN 2201539 4041 civil, 3AN 2202577 78 and 79 civil. In 2022, at the advice of my former attorney, Daryl Jones, in Wasilla, Palmer, Alaska. We asked for a guardian ad litem to be the voice for we're a blended family, for my two youngest daughters with my ex-husband, as my oldest was in a mental health facility where my oldest daughter has been medically kidnapped by Julie Hammond with the Office of Public Advocacy in Anchorage, Alaska. Julie Hammond specifically and explicitly blocked my communications with my oldest daughter while she was in treatment. And when my oldest daughter ran away in June of 2023, I was blocked from being able to get any information from anyone other than my ex-husband and the Anchorage Police Department. My husband and I have had 8 state investigations with the Alaska State Troopers and the Office of Children's Services, where every single time we were told the allegations were not substantiated, and every single caseworker and trooper advised us to get a domestic violence protective order against my ex-husband, and Judge Adolph Seaman felt otherwise. He told me in so many words that although I felt there were moments of domestic violence, he doesn't find that to be so. As he described one of the instances of domestic violence where my ex-husband put holes through the master bedroom door in front of our children and a friend's children, pinned me to the wall, took my keys, and physically blocked us from leaving the house while he was in an intoxicated state until I had Anchorage Police Department show up at our house in Chugiak, Alaska. Trying to keep this 3 to 5 minutes is extremely hard because it is a lot. We have had our constitutional rights violated repeatedly by this court, and every time I have called them out for their unethical treatment, I've been told in so many words by Judge Seaman before he recused himself April 1st of this year, 2025, that I am the problem and I clearly need more help than I am getting. I have 3 trauma-trained mental health professionals right now, and I'm also working with one of the social workers at the VA as a disabled veteran. We need help. Our families are being destroyed. We need to be the change that our children and our grandchildren need. Thank you for listening.